latest crypto and NFT news. How to find the right Web3 community. Web3 is a newly emerging digital technology taking over the world by storm. Young, middle-aged, and even teenagers love the idea of being part of the changing internet world, and you must be ready for it too. For a newbie, fitting into any new industry is quite a challenge. Quoting experiences from different people, being a part of the Web3 community is one of the best decisions made when entering the industry. It not only gives an individual exposure to new people and finding career opportunities, but they remain up to date with the latest trends and announcements. Recently, Meta introduced the NFT feature on Instagram and Facebook where individuals can post their digital collectibles on the feed or even as a profile picture on the platform. Social media can also introduce you to new NFT projects and collections currently trending in the community. Enter the metaverse platforms. Metaverse is the future of the internet that will connect different virtual worlds for users to move from one platform to another seamlessly. It's a mixed reality 3D experience that is actively building a creator economy and having a community of its own. Visit our website for more news.